Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Huggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from HEADSTAMP Publishing. Feel free to check them out. They now have a large variety of items. HEADSTAMP Publishing. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we can get this open. Okay, so I did go ahead and take the manifest from the top of the package here. And let's go ahead and take the contents out now so you can see how this was packed up. So here are a couple of side flaps like so. We are actually opening this reversed here, but no biggie. You can see here more layers here to help protect everything. So this is pretty well thought out how they package this stuff. So here you can see some add-on items, as well as more layers of packaging, more add-on items. Slightly creased, unfortunately, but it actually doesn't matter because this is actually extra material there. And then another book. Interesting. So let's see what we actually got here. We got here a Kickstarter standard cover, which has the matching add-ons. Looks like the patch there. 2 leather bookmarks with the tassel ends. Gold highlights there. Very nice. Another look at that patch. And you can see here the kind of the book faceplates, or however you want to call these. Got a few extra of these ex libris titles there. And then we have standard and Kickstarter standard. So if you were a backer that pre-ordered, you could get the actual blue cover versus the more commercial cover itself. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this one out of the package. Okay, let's clear some of this stuff out of the way too. So here you can see the details on the cover, multiple colors, embossing with the metallic finish there, and how it goes all the way around the front cover. Binding portion, what you would see on the shelf, first edition. Similarly on here as well. Then on the back, you can see this one actually includes the cocktail menu inside. So at some point, we're going to have to open this one up too. And the back cover has that design with nothing in the middle portion there. You can see it has the gold edges on the pages. Here's our inside cover pages with a kind of design there for the crest. And let's see what the last numbered page is. Last numbered page is 398. So this is also a sizable book. Go ahead and look at the front. We have a title page there in color. And here you can see here engraving there, a vellum page, and then this is actually separate, the larger title page, and you could always put these right in here, however you prefer it. This is from 2024. There's our print information. And here's our author, László Becz. His name right there. And again, this is based on Rifles on the Danube, Hungarian AK pattern firearms, 1959 to 2002. So that's what he was working on. You can see there a little bit of author information there. Information about HEADSTAMP Publishing, a disclaimer, credits, photography credits, acknowledgments, and safety information as well. Our table of contents, covering quite a bit of stuff there. And then you're going to have maps, the forward and preface, and then the introduction, end notes there. And then it gets into the actual book itself. There's going to be pictures, illustrations, the text, of course. And you can see all sorts of pretty much encyclopedia level information. I will put this as a reference book. So gives you an idea. It's not exactly a coffee table type of book. This does have a lot of data and reference material in it. But again, it is very visual as well. So it could be, out for casual display or on your shelf as a reference item. So taking a very quick look at a couple versions of the latest publication from HEADSTAMP Publishing. This is Rifles on the Danube by László Becz. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.